So hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss about SoundHound AI stock. Now what are the nearest targets we can expect from this stock? Let's discuss that. So today we are watching a downside movement of 2% in this stock, and currently it is trading at $9. And if you remember my previous video, I told you that we have got a rejection around this resistance level, that is $9.35, and now we can look for this target of $8.98, and this target has been achieved today. And if we see here, the stock has given more fall here, and now it has taken a support from this level also. So if it sustains this level of $8.98 today on the upside, and we get a closing above this level, above this support level, then there are chances that it could again test this $9.35. This can be the target again, but there is a condition that it should close above $8.98. If it closes below this price, and in the next trading session if we see a red candle forming here around this level, then there are chances that we can see more fall in the coming few days, and the target then we can see for the downside will be $8.7. So these are the levels for SoundHound AI stock. I hope you find this information valuable, and if you do, then please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.